Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if you have sound not working in Snapchat app. For example, when you have to communicate, notification, or just the sound in Snapchat doesn't work. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write your comments. Let's get to our topic, friends. And so you will be able to increase the sound for this on the right side. Swipe your finger down. Going to Control Center may help you if you increase the sound. Then the next way is to go into the phone settings. Then go to Sounds and Tactile Sensation. Then this slider here, you'll need to move forward. So absolutely all notifications, all ringtones will sound louder. This will probably help the Snapchat app. And also make sure that you have the very first line under the slider active. If not, then turn it on. Next, you can go to the Snapchat app. To do this in the settings, swipe to the very bottom. Find the Snapchat app, click on it. And now you will need to opposite the microphone. Enable this feature if you don't have it active. Next, notifications. Turn on notifications because you might just have them turned off like I did. You'll need to have all kinds of notifications selected. And then next to the song, turn it on. One last thing that might help you fix the sound not working is if you go back to the top of the settings, go to General. And that's where you'll find iPhone memory. Go to that. Scroll down to the bottom, find the Snapchat app. And then the most reliable option, if all else fails, is to unload the app. You'll need to click here. And then in a minute, download the Snapchat app again. Don't worry, this way you will only delete the application, but all the information, all your data, they will be saved. But this way, this method, it will help you probably 100%. Because when you uninstall and restore apps, usually everything stabilizes. So these are the few ways that you can fix the situation of not working sound in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and be sure to give us your likes. See you later.